Bullish Star Atlas cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.01 by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach $0 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Star Atlas presentation NFTs, the freshest obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following rush of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the immense drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain systems with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs innovations. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected landscape on account of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their exceptional resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas game's universe is immense, and players should go out on forlorn, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction in the game. Players can make enormous urban communities and private companies or unite as one and make decentralized independent associations to govern over specific regions. Players secure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certifiable monetary benefit to support. Specialized examination, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers to check the Star Atlas cost expectations in different elements. It is a technique for inspecting the market using pointers, uniquely made devices. Financial backers and dealers can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or money management. Specialized examination is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers. It is a method for breaking down the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and brokers utilize this method to track down opportunities for speculations or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized examination is at times established on authentic information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Star Atlas is as of now worth $0. Atlas has moved 0.41% as of now with an exchanging volume of $688,261. Star Atlas is as of now positioned 615 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $20,484,961 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Star Atlas cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Atlas's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. Atlas might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Star Atlas effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2029. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 1 cent and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 1 cent, averaging out at 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Atlas cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 1 cent. And current innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astounding visuals and imaginative interactivity. The game not just requests to players who are as of now mindful of blockchain innovation and digital currencies, yet in addition has every one of the qualities that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Besides, the game can advance the far-reaching reception of cryptographic forms of money in view of its creative in-game plan, shocking illustrations, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive venture, according to the greatest cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging value, Star Atlas cost expectation, current cost, and normal conjecture value, the cryptographic money market, and Star Atlas figure among various variables. What is the Star Atlas cost today? Today, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization